guys, Brendan back here for the Mixology class. We're shooting in the Canex liquor store right now. They've been gracious enough to let me set up everything, and I just kind of want to go over what's in a very basic bar and just kind of, you know what, we'll go over some drink ratios too, just for everybody if you're starting off or if you're a seasoned vet, then maybe you know about this stuff already. So first let's talk about our glassware here. So different drinks require different glasses. Obviously, if you have a lot of ingredients and a little bit more, you're going to want to use a highball glass, which is our kind of taller glass here, or if you're not making your drinks super strong. Next to this one, we have our Martini Glass. So if we're ever shaking anything, usually we have, you know, there's stronger drinks, more alcohol contents, but there's not as much in there, so we have a smaller glass. We also have our tumbler glass, or maybe if you want to call it a low ball, so kind of half of the highball glass. Once again, just kind of if you're mixing drinks super strong or you don't need as much space, that's going to be your go-to. And then lastly on the end here, kind of looks like a shot glass, but it's actually a shooter glass, so a little bit more than a shot glass would normally have. And this is going to be, you know, fun for making those drinks that you shoot. So lots of layering goes on in these ones, actually really fun to use. Now, for when we're making the drinks, you'll see in the videos that we've had, this is called a jigger, used for measuring out your drinks. So usually they'll have an ounce on one end and half an ounce on the other. Just makes it super easy for, you know, keeping your ratios, making sure that your measurements are good. And then right beside that, we just have our shaker. So basically it's got the screw on top, and then it's just got a little area to strain in case you have any, you know, sometimes you shake something in there and it's got, there's some contents. You don't want them going into your drink, but you do want the flavor, so it just helps to kind of strain it into the glass. As for our kind of very basic things that you kind of want to have on hand, lemon and lime juice are huge. They're used in most drinks, I would say, or a lot of drinks anyways. If you don't have the juice, actual lemons and limes will work, you know, for squeezing juice and then garnishing as well. We have our simple syrup that we made in one of our previous videos, so make sure to check out that video if you haven't seen how to make simple syrup already. Pretty simple, given the name. And then lastly, I like to always have bitters on hand, just for, you know what, it adds a little bit more body. It's like, not just for making drinks, but if you're cooking too, you add a little bit of spice or you add a little bit of flavor. You just want something, you know, a little bit extra to add to that body of the drink. So I think bitters are super important, and once again, you can use them in a wide range of drinks. So these are kind of the things that I always have on hand, as well as a towel for cleaning up, because sometimes I make a mess, so I always have a towel on hand as well. But yeah, this is pretty much the basics, and I hope you guys you know, have fun setting up your bar. It's always, for me, it's always about building what's next. And if you have any questions, feel free the next time you're down here at the Canex liquor store to ask one of the professional staff here. They'll help you out. Hope you guys enjoy it, and good luck with your home bar. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed these videos. Make sure that you check out all the content on that page, and if you try any of your creations and you want to share them with us, tag Edmonton Garrison PSP. See you guys.